You can change your brain. You don't need a neuroscientist. And you certainly don't need brain surgery. Here's to top tips on how to change your brain wave states. 1. Understand first and foremost, you have about 86 billion neurons in your brain, and neurons that fire together, wired together. But you can manipulate these neurons through, number 1, self-hypnosis. Close your eyes. Find a quiet, comfortable space. Make sure you're not operating any machinery, and simply begin to visualize whatever it is that you need to visualize. Focus on your breath work. Inhale for 6 seconds, hold for 3, exhale for 6. That will slow your brain wave state down. And visualize whatever it is you want to visualize. Whether it's you becoming a more confident person, whether it's you climbing a mountain, whether it's you going to the gym, whatever it is you want to change about your brain, you can change that just by closing your eyes, getting rid of external stimuli, slowing your brain wave state down, and do visualization. And then, second, discipline. You gotta do it every single day in order to change your brain. And within 30 days, you will have changed your brain wave state. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.